Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will summarize the para number 5, the part number 5, which consists of Surah Nisa, Surah number 4, from verses from 24 to 147, a total of 124 verses, and inshallah we summarize them into only 24 critical points that you can remember. Allah says that all married women are forbidden to be married. Do not send any proposal to all married women. Allah mentioned very clearly, do not take anybody's property unjustly. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not like the people who commit aggression and injustice, and Allah will put all of them into the hellfire. Allah said He will forgive a small sin. He will forgive your small sin if you do not commit gunah kabira or the major sin. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us that if you have a fight between husband and wife, then appoint two arbitrators, one from each side, to reconcile their relationship. Allah does not like the people who are very proud and boastful. Allah is masoom. Allah is flawless. Allah has no error or deficiencies at all. Allah says if you're traveling or if you're sick and if you do not have the water, then what you should do? You should make a tayammum and offer your salah. Salah is not forgiven. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that when the people will be put into the hellfire, Allah will change their skin again and again so that they can taste the fire on their skin more often. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says your faith is not complete unless you accept Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as your judge in your dispute and you accept his decisions. Whosoever participate in the evil act, he will have his share in the hellfire. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned that if you receive a greeting from somebody, you must return back a better greeting. For example, someone says Assalamu alaikum, you should say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah will forgive all the sin. He is a Ghafurur Rahim. But He will not forgive shirk, making partners in worship with somebody. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned either a male or female, whoever do any good deeds, they will be equally rewarded, and there is no difference between male and female in getting the rewards for doing good deeds. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that you cannot do perfect justice among your wife. And don't try to be intentionally bent towards one wife and try to be justful among your wife as much as you can. Allah instructs us for us to be firmly just when we are making the justice, even if our decision goes against us or against our parents or against our children or against our relatives or against our friends. Does not matter. Justice should be done in fairness and the honesty. No richness and no poorness should come into our path. Allah mentioned, oh you believe, do not take awliya as friend and protector or helper of disbeliever instead of the believers. In verse 145, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala emphasized that the hypocrites will be at the bottom of the hell fire and they will not find any helper to help them out at that point. Last verse, Allah says, why Allah should punish you if you are thankful to Him and if you believed Him. Allah is ever all appreciative of good things and the good deeds. Allah knows everything. Dear brothers and sisters, this was the summary of para number 5, part number 5. May Allah guide us to read Quran and implement Quran on us and in our community. Thank you.
صلوا علیہ وآلہ صلوا علیہ